Look at me. Are you in this country with or without permission?
Without.
Drinking while driving? And I'm going to tell you now, the incoming president is not very sympathetic with people who are in immigration custody. Do you understand? You will be stuck like Chuck in custody. Tell me, are you a United States citizen?
I'm a resident.
I don't know if you are or not. And quite frankly, I don't.
This guy came in acting like a DUI was no big deal. Thought he'd say sorry and walk right out. But then the judge asked a simple question. Are you in the country legally? And just like that, everything changed. No license, no immigration status, a stack of poor choices coming back to bite him. He didn't realize how serious it was until the judge brought up deportation and possible jail time. Now here's the real debate: are courts handling these immigration situations fairly? Or is this getting out of hand? Let me know what you think in the comments.
Are you Arnaldo Bernabe Larios Tayun?
Yes, sir.
Order in the court, please.
You were charged with driving while intoxicated. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
On October 31st, 2024, officers were dispatched at 2:46 a.m. to report to the motor vehicle sitting in the intersection of a public roadway in Harris County, Texas.
Can I get you, slow down just a tad?
Yes,
Please.
of course.
Order in the court.
Vehicle was.
The vehicle was sitting in the intersection
Estacionado en
of
la
a public
intersección de
roadway
una calle pública.
in Harris County,
del condado
Texas,
de Harris County,
with the
Texas,
driver
cuando el
asleep at the
chofer ahí
wheel.
dormido en el volante.
Upon
El perdido,
arrival,
los policías,
officers located defendant's motor vehicle
encontraron el
and
vehículo
observed defendant to be the
y lo
sole
vieron, que era el
occupant
único
of the
que estaba
vehicle.
en el vehículo.
Upon
Cuando
contact with the
hicieron contacto con el
defendant,
acusado,
officers
los
observed
oficiales
red,
vieron
glossy
que tenía
eyes,
los ojos brillosos,
slurred speech,
la
and an
tonalidad para
odor of
hablar, y un
alcoholic
olor de alcohol
beverage emitting from the
que provenía
defendant's person,
de su persona.
along with poor
Cuando
balance.
también no se podía balancear.
The defendant
El
admitted to
acusado
drinking,
admitió de que había
and an
tomado,
inventory
y
of
con
the
ese
vehicle
inventario del vehículo
yielded several
vieron de
open,
que
cold to the
varios
touch beer cans.
Drinking while driving?
Siendo y tomando
Most of which were mostly
cuando
empty.
la mayor parte estaban vacíos.
SFSTs were
Las
conducted,
FST se hicieron
6 out of 6
6 de 6 del
HGN,
HGN,
plus vertical gaze
también
of
en el
stagnus,
estagno vertical,
and 3 out of 4 one-leg stand.
3 de 4 de pararse en una sola pierna.
The defendant failed to perform the walk and turn
No pudo
because he
hacer
failed to
caminar
follow
voltear porque no
instructions.
siguió las instrucciones.
DICs were read but
Entonces se le
refused,
leyó,
and a
se
warrant
negó.
was signed and
Entonces se
executed.
firmó una
He
orden y
has
se
no driver's license,
hizo.
judge, and no
No tenía
prior criminal
licencia ni
history.
tampoco tenía ningún antecedentes.
I would hope
No,
that you recognize it's elementary that you're not supposed to have alcohol in the car while you are driving, Mr. Tayun.
señor Tayun.
Do you have a Texas driver's license? Look at me.
Míreme, no,
Not
a usted
allowed
no
to
se le
drive.
permite conducir.
What is your immigration status? Are you a United States citizen?
¿Es ciudadano americano?
No.
No,
Are you in this country with or without permission?
without.
What happens if you go to jail?
Van a regresar al país.
I don't know, I believe that return me to my country.
Right.
Cierto.
You will sit
Usted va
in jail
a la cárcel.
waiting for this case to be over with, and then you will be shipped off to immigration.
Lo mandan con
But you will sit in immigration custody for about 6 to 9 months waiting for immigration to do whatever they're going to do. And I'm going to tell you now, the incoming president is not very sympathetic
no es muy
with people
simpático.
who are in immigration custody.
Ay, no.
Do you understand?
¿Entiende? Yes, sir.
I'm putting conditions on you
Las condiciones
and your bond. And if you violate it in any way,
en cuanto
then you will go to jail. The reason you got out as quick as you did is because we gave you a free bond.
le dimos
It
una-
will not happen again. You violate conditions. More importantly, if you drive, because I'm ordering you not to,
¿Acaso
then I'm going to make your bond extremely high.
You can feel the mood shift the moment the judge brings up immigration, jail, This guy could handle that, but it's what comes after that really rattles him. Still, he doesn't seem to get it. No license, open containers in the car, and no legal status, and somehow he thought he'd just get a warning. The judge laid it out plain and simple. No driving, no drinking, no second chances. But let's be real, it didn't seem to sink in. He's nodding like he gets it, but behind those eyes, he's already planning a workaround. And when he slips up again, he's not just facing time, he's facing deportation. And you already know he'll act surprised like nobody warned him.
This is a promise that you're going to make to me today, that you're not going to drive. And I don't care what is going on in your life.
A mí no me importa.
You drive. I can have a contempt hearing. You will be facing an additional 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every time you get into a car and drive. So if you drive 3 times, I will have 3 contempt hearings. You are also not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or illegal drugs, likewise, you will go to jail. And let me be frank with you. If they charge you with the open container, that is a minimum of 5 days in jail. And I'm going to tell you, if you do anything more than 4 hours in custody, you will be stuck like Chuck in custody with an immigration detainer. Do you understand?
Sí, señor.
Yes, sir.
Have you come up here swear to us that you're not going to drive? I'm not done yet. After that, you will get to Ramona where you will sign a reset. After that, you'll get with Felicia for your bond conditions. This is the only warning that you will get from us, Mr. Tayoun. So, take it. If not, you will spend a lot of time with us. When you come back, please have a lawyer, sir. Now you may go.
Now, here comes the second guy walking in like he's at the DMV. Not a courtroom, no urgency, no remorse, just coasting through like it's routine paperwork. But this isn't forms and signatures, it's potential jail time. And with that, blood alcohol level, he's lucky he didn't kill someone. 5 empty bottles in the car, one still sealed like he crushed a 6-pack before even starting the engine. But none of it seems to register. The judge mentions immigration hold, and you can see it blank stare, no reaction. All they hear is blah blah blah, don't do it again. Then months later, when they're sitting in IC custody, they swear nobody warned them.
Okay, Luis Armando Hernandez Ramos,
Yes, I am.
charged with driving while intoxicated. You were facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine because of the high blow. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, Judge. On November 9th, 2024, officer conducted a traffic stop on the defendant's vehicle at approximately 10:47 p.m. after observing it weave between 2 lanes and fail to signal lane changes. Upon contact with the defendant's vehicle, the officer observed a strong odor of an alcoholic beverage, red glassy eyes, slow speech, unsteady balance, and a glazed over look. The defendant had inconsistent statements and trouble with the timeline of the evening. The defendant admitted to drinking beer in his truck prior to driving. Standard field sobriety test.
Did he have alcohol in the car while he's driving?
Your Honor, yes, and towards the end of the statement. So, officer conducted standard field sobriety test, AGN 6 out of 6, walk and turn 8 out of 8, and 1 leg stand 3 out of 4. An inventory search of the vehicle revealed 5 empty 32-ounce Corona bottles, 1 32-ounce Corona bottle with 1 ounce
Corona, I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
of Corona.
Go a little bit slower, huh?
Yes, Judge. An inventory search of the vehicle revealed 5 empty 32-ounce Corona bottles, 1 32-ounce Corona bottle with 1 ounce of fluid in the bottle, and 1 empty 24-ounce Modelo.
Drinking while driving?
DIC was red, and defendant consented to correct. The results were 0.174 and 0.173.
.173.
Mr. Hernandez Ramos,
Vamos.
I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Tell me, are you a United States citizen?
Ciudadano de Estados Unidos.
Residente.
I'm a resident.
I don't know if you are or
Yo
not.
no sé si lo
And
es o
quite
no.
frankly, I don't care.
Francamente, a mí
This is the moment reality hits. The judge isn't offering advice, he's laying down the law. No driving, no drinking. Not try your best. One slip, that's 6 months in jail. No debate. You mess up once, you're stuck. Twice, you're buried. This isn't guidance, it's a trap for anyone thinking they're slick enough to dodge the rules. Because one of these guys will get back behind the wheel. And when they do, it won't just be contempt title. Be immigration holds endless court dates and jail time with no exit plan. All because they thought they could beat the system again.
But one thing I want you to understand is if there is any problem with your immigration paperwork whatsoever, and you go to jail and immigration finds you,
a la cárcel.
they will put an immigration detainer on you and you will be stuck like Chuck in jail until this case is over with, and then you will be shipped off to immigration where you will sit for another 6 to 9 months. I hope that you would recognize it's damn elementary for you not to have alcohol in the car while you are driving. You now,
Ahora,
I am barring you from driving whatsoever. You will be signing an affidavit with me today promising me that you're not going to drive. And I don't care what is going on in your life. If I find that you drive in violation of this affidavit, I can have a hearing to hold you in contempt, slap you with up to 180 days every time you drive.
yes, cada vez
Do you understand?
entiende. Yes.
You cannot give any justification at all for getting into a car and driving,
So,
and there will be a very hefty toll.
a ver,
I'm also ordering you not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs, and I will randomly test you. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or any kind of illegal drugs or unprescribed controlled medication, likewise, you will go to jail.
va a ir a la
You
cárcel.
will not get any more PR bonds. And like I said, any issues with your immigration whatsoever,
Ya lo que sea,
you will be with me for a long time.
va a estar ahí por largo tiempo. Okay.
I will have you come up here, swear to us that you're not going to drive.
Va a jurar que
I
usted
will
no
have
va
you
a
sign a
manejar.
receipt with Victoria. I will also have you sign your bond conditions with Felicia. We will get you out of here because you need a lawyer to represent you, and we will give you time to go hire a lawyer.
Le vamos
When you come back, hire a lawyer. If you fail to come back, I will issue a warrant for your arrest.
Viene otra vez. Yo entonces voy a dar una orden de arresto.
This is the part that always stings. They think they're walking out lucky like they beat the system. But the next mistake, it's jail, then immigration, then gone. And every time they act shocked, like the 5 warnings never happened. But I want to hear from you, are the courts doing enough here? Or are these cases just on repeat because no one's taking illegal immigration seriously? Drop your thoughts below. And yeah guys, new courtroom videos every single day. Appreciate you watching.